Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is RJ. So today we are back in crypto mining game. Yes, it's been about a week since the last time we looked at our account. So we're going to be checking out how things have changed, looking at what is going on with the VMP, and I've also got a payment proof for you as well. So keep watching. Okay, and welcome to another video. As you can see here, we are in my crypto mining account. So what we're going to do is quickly go through the numbers. Like I said, the last time we were in here was about a week ago. So a week ago, we were 11% into level 17. As you can see there, we are now at nearly 35%. So in a week, what's that? That's like 2/3. We've jumped up, so that's really good. We had 4,394 victory points. You can now see we have over 9,000 victory points, and obviously that is all going to building up the VMP and moving us up those VMP world rankings to get those really good prizes that CMG are giving away for that. Okay, and we also had 1,198 H power. As you can see there, we are nearly at 1,245, or well, 1,242 exactly is what we're at. So like I say, that's all really good jumps, and pretty much most of that has just come from doing world missions. I've not really been doing much else. I've been totally focusing on building up the VMP and getting our team up those rankings to earn those prizes. So that is pretty much where all of that those boosts have come from. Okay, and remember, if this is your first time visiting my channel and you want to learn more about how to earn cryptocurrency for free, about cloud mining sites, crypto investments, and lots of other crypto related stuff, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to tag that notification bell so you're alerted to all my latest content as it comes online. So like I said at the beginning of the video, I do have a payment proof to show you later, which will be the Dash withdrawal that unfortunately in the last video I couldn't show you because it actually hadn't landed in my wallet. So I've got that to show you, but as you can see here, we are now getting very close to another Litecoin withdrawal. So basically, since we started sort of really pushing forward this account, we've had a Litecoin withdrawal, we've had an Ethereum withdrawal, we've also had a Dash withdrawal, and now we're working on a second Litecoin withdrawal. The reason why I've basically sort of, even though I would love to be pushing more on the Ethereum, when we did the original withdrawal, the minimum required to withdraw on Ethereum was 600,000. They've actually bumped that up now to 1 million. So what I'm doing is I'm concentrating on Litecoin, because basically Litecoin, out of those three coins, pretty much mines the fastest, and that is going to be the coin that you are going to hit that minimum the quickest. So that is what I'm probably going to be focusing on from now on, to get those coins out of this program. Like I'm always saying, it's fine sort of building up accounts, doing reinvests and all that lot when I've spoke to you about other programs like dual mine, but getting those coins out of these programs is just as important, because you've got to realize, yes, okay, with crypto mining game, you're not really investing much in the way of coins, but you are investing a lot of time into this program. So you've still got to work that into your equation when it comes to profit. So you've got to make sure that you are getting something out, so you're at least getting some kind of a payoff for the time you are putting in. And if you're not overly familiar with what crypto mining game is, what it involves, and what you need to do to get your account up and running to start making yourself some coins, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a link in the description to a playlist. Now that playlist does contain quite a few videos. Most of them have hints and tips and things that are going to help you earn your coins and build up your accounts faster. So Obviously, the more you can watch, the better. But if you're only going to watch 2 videos, make sure you watch the very, very first one. That will tell you the bare minimum that you need to be doing to get this program up and running and start earning yourself some crypto. Also as well, check out the video that's called Get Paid to Play, and that will introduce you to the competition which I have running, where you can earn 50,000 Satoshis for being one of the first 15 players to level 15. But make sure you watch that Get Paid to Play video all the way through, because it does tell you the rules of the competition, and you've got to follow them to be eligible for a prize. If you do not follow all of the rules, you will not be eligible to claim that 50,000 Satoshis. And if you go right the way through to the end of this video, those links will be there as well, so you can just click straight on them and get watching. Okay, so what I'm going to quickly do now is we're going to jump over to the VMP, and we're going to see how we are progressing. Obviously, this is something that not all of you are involved in, but if it's something that you are interested in, so basically you would join the VMP, you would go out into the world, and you would build up victory points by attacking other players. That then is sort of thrown into a pot with everybody else's victory points, and then that pushes us up the VMP world rankings, and as we move up, we get better and better prizes. Okay, so I hate these pop-ups. So if we dive over to the VMP, I didn't actually look. I can't remember what we were at the last time, but I think we were at maybe 25 to 30,000 or something like that. As you can see now, we're at nearly 50,000 victory points, and that is because of all of your hard work that you guys are putting in. For those of you that are joined in the VMP, we still have 7 spots available. So if we go and check out the crypto mining one, so we're at 49,000. Basically nearly 50,000. So if we scroll down, these are the individuals. So basically these anybody in the top 100 will claim an individual prize. I'm at 143 with 9,000, but the guy in 100th space has got nearly 20,000. So the likelihood of me actually getting on that board is very, very slim. But so if we scroll down here, so we were at about 49,000. So remember, in the last season, we sort of joined with about 1 week to go, and we still ended up in about 84th place, and got quite some nice prizes. But as you can see here, we are now in 20th place with 33 members, and what did we have? It was at 43, so I think I said we had 7 places left. So that means that like 10 members are not at the moment eligible for claiming these prizes, because you have to be active. So you have to gone out into the world, attacked basically taken part in the crypto mining war. So basically placed attacks on other players, which then builds up your victory points, which then makes you eligible for these prizes. So at the moment, we are going to be earning 10,000 crystals, 20,000 crypto coins, and 1,000 cards. It is the cards that really I think is the most important. Yes, you need these other things to be going out and doing missions, but it's the cards which will sort of upgrade your account and make it easier for you to sort of win battles, and harder for people to win against you. So that is really the big thing for me, is that 1,000 cards. Yeah, so I just quickly checked and jumped back into the VMP, and there's 10 players that at the moment are not eligible to win any of these prizes, which is a real shame, because obviously you've joined the VMP, and but you're not actually going to benefit from being in the VMP. And also, if you remember, I did say that at the end of this season, any members in the VMP that are on 0 victory points will be removed to make place for other people that want to come in and actually take part in the crypto mining war, going out there, battling against other players and building up your victory points to then help build up the VMP and move us further up this league. So there is exactly 3 days, 4 hours, 51. No, hang on, what's that? 3 days, yeah, 4 hours, 51 minutes, 30 seconds. Sorry, I don't know what happened there. Brain just went into neutral. So, yeah, so those of you that are on 0 points in our VMP, you have that time to go out, earn some victory points, and get yourself some of those prizes. But like I say, if it's not something that you're interested in, I will remove you at the end of this season in the 3 days. Okay, so now we're going to go on to the payment proofs. Okay, so here we are in the withdrawal confirmation area of CryptoMiningGame, and as you can see, there are the 3 withdrawals that I talked about earlier on in the video. So there's the Litecoin, Ethereum, and the Dash. If you look to the left side of the screen, you'll see that is a shot of my wallet, and here you can see that we made the withdrawal of Dash on the 19th of the 8th or 19th of August for 610,981, and we received in our wallet on the 27th of August. So what's that, 6 days later, we got 604,871 after a 1% fee. So the great thing with that is we still know that CryptoMiningGame is working well, and we are receiving our withdrawals. And at the end of the day, with any of these programs, like I keep saying, that is always the most important thing. If we get to the point where withdrawals are not coming consistently, or they're taking a very, very long time, then obviously we have to start wondering whether the program is going to last. But at the moment, CryptoMiningGame is working tip top. So a quick tip for you guys, for any of you that have made it to this far in the video. As we all know, that one of the quick ways of gaining some loot is doing quests. So if you want to do a dead easy quest to get yourself some crates and get yourself some cards, go into bonus, go to mini games, and then what you want to do is scroll down and go to the scratch card game. So it only takes 1 game token to play every time you want to play. If you play this 10 times, you will gain yourself some a load of cards in quests. You'll gain yourself a bronze crate and a silver crate, and it's dead easy. So you just click on play. And you'll also, as well, while you're playing the game, you'll probably gain yourself some really good prizes as well, if we can get the game to play. Okay, so we finally got it going. So basically all you do is literally like a scratch card. You just scratch it off, and then it will tell you what your prize is. And then you can replay. I don't know, this is really weird. I've got my browser at 100% size, and it's not allowing me to click on anything. But if I drop it down to 67%, there you go, look, it highlights it. It works. So maybe you'll find that's maybe another hinted tip. If you've tried to play the game and can't seem to get it to work, then basically what you need to do is just drop your browser down to about 67%, and then you can just go through. And obviously these little bits like the wires and stuff like that, they obviously help going towards and using it in the workshop and putting through the recycling and stuff like that to help you boost up your drone power. There you go, look at that. That's my third attempt, and we've already got ourselves a bronze crate. And also as well, we've actually got one. We've done basically the way it works with the quests is if you play the game once, you'll get one quest. If you play the game 3 times, that will give you that will take you to the next level in the quests. And if you play 10 times, that will get you your silver crate. So once will get you your cards. 3 games will get you a bronze crate, and 10 times will get you a silver crate. So it's dead easy. We'll just play this last one. Don't want to bore you too much. See what we got. Okay, and then you got some more crystals. So it's not bad. I mean, we got a bronze crate and stuff like that. And then obviously here it will tell you how many times you've played and what you've actually won as well. So we'll just quit out of that. So if we bang that back up to 100%, you can see there that we've oh, sorry, I clicked on something there. So if we go through to quests and scroll down, you'll see here, there you go. So you can claim your cards there, and then you'll claim your bronze crate. And obviously if you play another few more times, you'll claim your silver crate. So I wanted to just bring that to you as a quick hint and tip if you want to get yourselves some more loot and help boost up your level and boost up your power. Okay, so if you are interested in those earlier videos that I talked about, they're probably on your screen right now. So get clicking and get watching. If you could smash that like button, really supports my channel, which then helps me bring more content to you. So take care, have a great rest of your week, and I'll speak to you soon. Thanks a lot. Bye.